Hare Krishna, thank you so much for coming on Friday evening. Friday evening, nobody wants to do such things. Huh? As we always say, people go to pub. On Friday, we also have our pub. What is that? Prabhupada Unlimited Bhagavatam. Bas. But there is one advantage in this pub. Any guesses?
You feel energized rather than
Haribol, you feel energized. Fantastic. Huh?
ultimate bliss.
Ultimate bliss. Fantastic.
More intoxicated.
More intoxicated. See?
Prabhu, you don't spend anything but you get unlimited.
Oh, without spending unlimited benefit. And it never comes down. In the other one, because I know I have drunk, so I can tell. Not only that, next day, half day is gone because of the hangover, depending on what you have had.
So Prabhu had everything.
I had.
You tried everything.
I tried. What can I do? I am like, today's discussion is about Jagai Madhai, so I am like that only. But once you have this, then that one is like, there is no headache in this, it doesn't come down, it only increases.
Unlimited.
So yesterday was Sri Nityanand Trayodashi, and this we are going to take from Chaitanya Bhagavat. So we have Srimad Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Bhagavat. As the name suggests, it is about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityanand Prabhu. And who has written it? Vrindavan Das Thakur. He has written. Who is Vrindavan Das Thakur? He is the last disciple of Nityananda Prabhu. He gave him everything. He knew after this, I don't have to. Hare Krishna. Hari Bol. Towards that, Mataji, you can sit up. No need to sit down. Up there, बैठ लीजिए. Hare Krishna. In the end, Mataji, we will have. Mataji is from Bengal. I request Mataji that at least one page to read. She will read in Bengali and Mataji will do translation. So we have too much blessings today of the elders. Hare Krishna. So Vrindavan Das Thakur, see what a lovely name. Vrindavan Das. He was last disciple of Nityanandji. And he knew that after I gave him everything, no need to make more disciples. I don't need more support. That was the... First of all, about listening to today's Katha. We'll talk about today Jagai Madhai. They were the two demon type of personalities. But like in America, the first thing you ask them to do anything, what do they say? First question they ask. Where are you from? Why? भैया मेरे लिए क्या है इसमें ये बताओ. Otherwise I don't want to spend my time wasting time talking to you. What is in it for me? Correct? So this is nothing new. Americans have copied from our scriptures. Scriptures are telling what is in it for us. If we hear or listen or read Katha of Nityanand Prabhu. So please repeat. Yei sune ei maha. Dasyura udhara. Tare udhare ba. Gaura Chandra avatara. Ei sune ei maha. Mataji, you can correct, please, because I am novice in Bengali and I am reading it in English. So, Yei sune ei maha. Dasyura udhar. One who listens the topics of Uddhar means of liberation of these two Jagai and Madhai. What happens? Tare Udhariba. To them, Uddhar happens by whom? Gaura Chandra Avatar. One who listens to this Katha, they are straight into BTG. Non-stop Vande Bharat. This is Text 3.9. This is from Chaitanya Bhagavat only. This is not made up by any mental concoction. Okay, there is one Narottam Das Thakur. These are all the saints of, when there was Bhakti Kal 500 years back, so many saints came. Surdas ji, Mirabai, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityanand Prabhu, Sri Vallabhadhi, Vallabhacharya ji. So many came. Narottam Das Thakur, one of the foremost devotees, he has written one Kirtan. In that he tells about Nityanand Prabhu. Please repeat. Brajendra Nandana Jai. Sachi Suta Hoilo Sei. Brajendra Nandan. Who is Brajendra Nandan? In the Braj? Krishna. जो कृष्णा है सची सुता होइलो से वही सची सुता है. Who is सची सुता? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And he gives introduction about Nityanand Prabhu. Balaram hoilo nitai. Balaram ji came as? See, the team is one only. Ram ji avatar ho, Krishna ji avatar ho, any avatar, this is the same team. Deen heen jat chilo, hari naam udhari lo, tara sakshi jagai madhai. जो दीनहीन है और जिसने आपका नाम ले लिया है उसको आप उद्धार कर देते हो, जैसे जिसका साक्षी विटनेस कौन है? जगाई माधाई. All these personalities are used for witness purpose also. Okay, let's proceed. Just to give a brief background, because not many times we discuss about Chaitanya Charitamrita or Chaitanya Bhagavat. So there is a full team of these devotees who came 500 years back roughly. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is just introduction of the various characters and avatars and devotees. He is Krishna himself. Nityanand Prabhu is Advaita Acharya Prabhu. He is the one, he is principal associate of Mahaprabhu, an incarnation of Mahavishnu. And he is the one who prayed to Krishna that you please descend on this earth. Then we have Haridas Thakur. Who is he? Namacharya. He used to chant how many rounds? 192 rounds before he drank water drop. For me, first I have good breakfast, then lunch, then one round, after that, and in the end, not complete, doesn't matter, tomorrow. See this. Then we have Vrindavan Das Thakur. He is the last disciple of Ji. And then we have two prime disciples of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rup Goswami and Sanatan Goswami. Rup Goswami, because he is the one who put everything into the package deal what we see in ISKCON temples done by Bhakti Vinod Thakur Maharaj. So therefore the devotees of ISKCON, they are also called Rupanugas. They follow Rup Goswami. Instructions given to Rup Sanatan was 4 basically. Number 1, discover the pastimes of Krishna in Vrindavan. Second, install the deities. So Govind Dev Ji, anybody has been to Jaipur? Govind Dev Ji? Yes. That deity, once what happened is, Rup was sitting and he was thinking, what should I do? I have this instruction for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that I should do deity installation. Suddenly a young boy came and he said, you come to me. He took him to a small hill. He said, please dig here. When he dug that, who was there? Govind Dev Ji. And he is the one who is now in Jaipur, the famous Govind Dev Ji's temple. And then he was also asked to write the Bhakti Shastra, therefore we know. There are lots of it, but Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu being one of the very famous ones. Okay. There were other disciples. Hare Krishna. I will not go into detail. There were 6 Goswamis. So Rupa, Sanatana, Jeev Goswami, Raghunath Das Bhatt, Gopal Das Goswami. These were the 6 Goswamis who were there, who were sent by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to find out details about Vrindavan, find out about the pastimes of Lord Krishna, and a big bang. That was the big bang actually of Harinam, which was done by these And then we have Swarup Damodar Prabhu, secretary of Mahaprabhu. Okay, now let's talk about Nityanand Prabhu. Nityanand Prabhu Triyodashi was yesterday. Principal associate Balram's incarnation. He is Nityanand Prabhu. So where was he born? In Ek Chakra, Bengal. Father's name Hadai Pandit and mother Padmavati. We'll go a little quick because of the time constraint, but so you know all the Ek Chakra residents, they loved him so much that they forgot about their own children. For example, if you remember in Vrindavan, similar pastimes happened. Huh? Brahma Vimohan Leela. When he stole, Brahmaji stole all the goat, goal, then Krishna became. And at that time they forgot their own children. He became calves also. The cows were running also fast. So he became. So they were so much attached. Like this, he was loved in Ek Chakra and he used to enact the pastimes of Lord Balram and Lord Krishna. So somebody asked him, "You are so young. How do you know about this?" So he would say, "Actually, I only did all these." Because Balramji's expansion. So nobody took him seriously that way. But so once what happened, so when he was around 12-13 years of age, one sannyasi, one very big devotee, or you can say from our parampara only, his name was Lakshmi Pati Tirth. He came to Ek Chakra and he knew that Hadai Pandit and Padmavati are very pious souls. So he went to their house. So they prayed their obeisances and they said, "What can we do for you?" So Lakshmi Pati Tirth said, "Are you sure whatever I ask you will give me?" He said, "Of course." He also remembering Dasharath ji. Pran jaye par vachan na jaye. Like that. So he said, "No problem, whatever you want, my house, whatever you want, I'll give it to you." And what did Lakshmi Pati Tirth ask? He said, "Give me Nitai, Nityanand, give me Nityanand." And when he heard, both the parents, they fainted. Then they got up, they consulted each other. They said, "Well, we have given our word, so we will give Nityanand Prabhu." Nityanand Prabhu was pretty in Yukta Vairagya. It doesn't really matter because he had come for a bigger task. And after some time, some 3-4 months later, the parents passed away. And Ek Chakra also actually became extremely deserted because he had gone. Now see, interesting. Nityanand Prabhu, he then met Madhavendra Puri. And who is Madhavendra Puri? He became disciple of Madhavendra Puri. You know, in Ramuna Kheer Chor temple, where Lord Krishna stole the kheer and kept it, because what happened, Madhavendra Puri had gone to that temple and he saw a big pot of kheer being offered to Lord Krishna, and he thought, only if I would have tasted it, it would have been so nice. But he had to leave, and he had some work, he had to leave. So in the night, the pujari had a dream. And the dream was, Lord Krishna appeared, he said, "I have kept one bowl of kheer from what you have offered, it is behind my back. You please take it and give it to Madhavendra Puri." And next day morning, the pujari was searching for Madhavendra Puri, and the news spread that Krishna himself kept kheer for him. And then that kheer was given, but look at Madhavendra Puri. He had the kheer and he left that place, thinking now people will crowd behind me and I will not be able to do my devotional service. So he, Nityanand Prabhu, Lakshmi Tirth, they met Madhavendra Puri. Nityanand Prabhu was initiated by Madhavendra Puri. And Ishwar Puri was also disciple of Madhavendra Puri. And Ishwar Puri is Guru of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Just to connect. Now Nitai came to Vrindavan. And after some time, he left for Navadvip. And there he stayed and he met Haridas Thakur there, and Mahaprabhu was thinking, where is Nityanand Prabhu? And people were asking, where is he? And then suddenly he said, go to that house. And he went, and then now Mahaprabhu met Nityanand Prabhu. So he is also one of the Madhavendra Puri's successors. He is one of those saints in our parampara also. So he had come. So the purpose is because he wanted Nityanand Prabhu to come with him, and actually speaking, the glories of Harinam, which is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. While Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that it will be sung everywhere, but the real inauguration was done by Nityananda Prabhu. Because after this episode which we are going to discuss, suddenly it blasted across the globe, across at least in India at that time, that what Harinam can do. So Nityananda Prabhu had the mission of spreading Krishna consciousness, and
have been done while living with the parents, right? What was the
well, actually if you look at it,
behind this leela that you take from?
very good question. Actually if you look at it, any great devotee, Krishna makes sure he goes through some very tough situation, so that then they are glorified like anything. Anywhere you see. Surdas, he had no eyes. Actually he was asked, once he went to the temple in Vrindavan. So the pujari said, boss, you cannot see, but still you are coming. Why? He said, but Krishna can see me. Don't worry about it. And then he was asked by Krishna, do you want the eyes? He said, no, I don't want eyes. I don't want to see these useless things. Internally, I am seeing good enough. So these are all, frankly speaking, this is a transcendental team. To us, it means loss, pain, this, that. But for them, they come for a certain goal, they complete and they go. So, let's see now Chaitanya Bhagavat. We'll go to Madhya Kand. So once what happened, please repeat. Ek dina achambhite haila he namati agya kaila nityananda हरिदास प्रति. तो एक दिन अचंभित सडनली चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने आज्ञा करी. किस किस को? नित्यानंद एंड हरिदास. What is the order he gave? सुन सुनो नित्यानंद सुन हरिदास सर्वत्र हमारा आज्ञा करह प्रकाश. Mataji must be enjoying. I am trying only theory. So he said, सुनो सुनो नित्यानंद. Hey Nityanand, listen, and सुनो हरिदास. सर्वत्र हमारा आज्ञा. It is my order. सर्वत्र, go and do what? Karah prakash. My order is to go and preach everywhere. What is the order? Prati ghare ghare giyakar ei bhiksha. Go every door to door and beg. What do you beg? Please repeat it. Bolo Krishna, bhajo Krishna, karo Krishna shiksha. He said, go to every door, fall at their feet and ask them, everybody, please say Krishna. Please do devotional service of Krishna, and whatever you know about Krishna, spread it and give it to others. So, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Iha bai ar na bolibo. Other than this, कुछ और मत बोलना. Conditions apply. बस यही बोलना. क्या बोलना? बोलो कृष्णा, भजो कृष्णा, करो कृष्ण शिक्षा. इसके अलावा कुछ मत बोलना. हाँ? बोलाई बदिन अवसाने ऐसा ही अमारक काहिबा. And in the evening, day end, come to me and give a report. Management. खाली नहीं बोल दिया, छोड़ दिया. अभी बताओ क्या हिसाब है, कितना हिसाब है. Okay. हाँ जी, माता जी, why don't you read this in Bengali but written in English?
आज्ञा शिवे कोई नित्यानंद हरिदास
हाँ.
তত কৃষ্ণ চলিনে পথে আসিল আছে আর
हाँ मीनिंग हाँ माता जी यू कैन कम
Accepting the Lord's order on their heads.
हाँ
Accepting the Lord's on their hands, Nityananda and Haridas smiled and immediately went out on the street.
तो आज्ञा सिर पे रख लिया और आगे चल दिए ठीक है जी यस माता जी नेक्स्ट
আজ্ঞা পাই দুই জনে
হ্যাঁ।
বলি ঘরে ঘরে
হ্যাঁ।
বল কৃষ্ণ গাও কৃষ্ণ ভজও কৃষ্ণরে
हाँ आज्ञा पाई दुई जने आज्ञा मिल गई दोनों को तो घर घर जाने लग गए वो और क्या करने लगे प्लीज रिपीट बोलो कृष्णा गाओ कृष्णा भजो कृष्ण रे बस जगह जगह जाके करने लगे तो कृष्ण प्राण कृष्ण धन कृष्ण सही जीवन है न कृष्ण बल हा भाई हाई एक मन कृष्ण प्राण हमारे कृष्ण ही प्राण है कृष्ण ही धन है कृष्ण ही जीवन है न कृष्ण बल भाई है ही एक मन इसलिए भगवान का नाम बस लो एक मन मतलब हाँ ओके अब लोगों का रिएक्शन क्या हो रहा है माता जी रीड
করিব করিব কেহ বলে
हाँ
সন্তোষে
वो क्या कोई बोल रहा है करेंगे करेंगे कोई तो ये बोल रहा है आगे
কেহ বলে দুই জনে সিদ্ধ মন্ত্র দোষে
कोई बोल रहे हैं ये पागल है लोग कहाँ से आ गए कोई तो ये कहने लगे कोई कहने लगे हम करेंगे ओके नेक्स्ट वन माता जी
এই মতো ঘরে ঘরে বুলিয়া বুলিয়া
হুম।
প্রতিদিনও বিষম ধরে স্থানে কহে গিয়া
तो यही मत घरे घरे करके वो घर घर जाने लग गए एंड प्रतिदिन विश्वम्भर यानी चैतन्य महाप्रभु स्थाने कहे गया जाके उनको रिपोर्ट कार्ड एवरी डे शाम को वो देने लग गए अब क्या हुआ जी हाँ माता जी
একদিনে পথে দেখে দুই মাতোয়ালে
हाँ
মহাদস্যু প্রায় দুই মদ্যপ বিশাল
हाँ देखो कितना फर्क है एक्सेंट में करेक्ट कितना स्वीट है उधर यू माता जी कम हियर एक दिन पथे देखे दो ही मातयोल एक दिन उन्होंने किसको देखा दो कौन थे मतवाले थे दारू पी के एंड महादस्यु प्राय दो ही मद्यप विशाल तो उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से पी रखी थी और महादस्यु दस्यु का मतलब रोग या फिर डाकू उनमें वो एक्सपर्ट थे वो लोग और वो दोनों का नाम क्या था जी जगाई एंड यस माता जी
ব্রাহ্মণে হইয়া মদ্য গোমাংস ভক্ষণ
हाँ
ডাকে চুরি পরগৃহে দাহে সর্বক্ষণ
हरि बोल तो थे तो वो ब्राह्मण बट मद्य क्या करते थे मद्यपान गोमांस भक्षण डाका चोरी डाका डाका डालते थे प्रग्रह दाहे सर्वक्षण हर वक्त किसी ना किसी के घर को या तो जला रहे थे या डाका डाल रहे थे ये उनका काम था जी यस माता जी
দূরে থাকি লোকে সবে পথে দেখে রঙ্গ সেইখানে নিত্যানন্দ হরিদাস সঙ্গ
तो लोग बाग दूर से देख रहे थे उस वक्त वहां कौन पहुंच गए नित्यानंद जी एंड अभी हरिदास ठाकुर के साथ अभी एक इंसिडेंट हो ही चुका था कौन सा वाला
21 मार्केट्स में
हाँ उनको मार्केट्स में कोड़ों से पिटाई हुई थी बिकॉज ही वॉज एक्चुअली अ मोहम्मडियन एंड ही वॉज चैंटिंग कृष्णाज नेम सो द नवाब सेड people went and complained there was no problem and then they told नवाब अगर ऐसे चलेगा तो सब लोग हमारा बोलना बंद कर देंगे इसको सबक सिखाओ तो he was beaten in several markets in open and still Mughals were there and still he said please forgive them let them chant and later on Chaitanya Mahaprabhu comes and he shows so इधर क्या हो गया हरिदास ठाकुर और नित्यानंद प्रभु वहां पे आ गए ओके अब ये दोनों क्या कर रहे हैं या तो गले मिल रहे हैं या एक दूसरे के बाल खींच रहे हैं क्योंकि दारू पीने के बाद में होश नहीं रहता है जब तक पुलिस वाला एक डंडा नहीं दिखाता डंडा दिखाए तो सब उतर जाती है वहीं पे ओके तो उन्होंने सारे सिंस कर रखे थे पर एक सिन नहीं किया था कौन सा किसी वैष्णव का बुराई नहीं किया था उन्होंने दे हैव नॉट डन एनी ब्लास्फेमी तो वृंदावन दास ठाकुर सेज कि चाहे बाकी कुछ भी कर लेना तब भी भगवान मिल जाएंगे, पर वैष्णव का बुराई मत करना, क्योंकि वो किया तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा। ओके, और वो क्यों नहीं किया उन्होंने ब्लास्फेमी एक्चुअली? और टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा था उनको। इतना ज्यादा वो घर चलाने में और हर चीज में बिजी थे कि कोई टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था। यस माता जी।
तो वो टाइम नहीं मिलता था कि कोई मिले नहीं किसी से, मिले ही नहीं किसी से।
मिले नहीं रहे।
नहीं, मतलब वो इतने दारू पी के इतना सब वो करे, हाँ मिले भी नहीं, मिले भी होंगे तो दारू पी के
पता भी नहीं वैष्णव।
अब पता भी नहीं वैष्णव।
जानते हैं होता कौन है?
সন্ন্যাসী সভায় যদি হয় নিন্দা কর্ম,
हाँ
মদ্যপেরার সভা হইতে সে সভা অধর্ম।
हाँ, if an assembly of sannyasis indulges in blasphemy, then that assembly is more sinful than an assembly of drunkards. इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि दारू पीना शुरू कर देना चाहिए।
कंडीशन अपना है।
कंडीशन अप्लाई। देखो भैया ऐसा है, जो बहुत ज्यादा इस कोटि का है उसको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, जैसे पूतना, जैसे ये जगाई मदा है, उनको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, भगवान आगे तार देते हैं। या फिर बिल्कुल ही साधु है भगवान, बीच वाले हम जैसों को प्रॉब्लम है, ना इधर के ना उधर के। ओके, यस माता जी।
দুই জনে কিলাকিলি গালাগালি করে, নিত্যানন্দ হরিদাস দেখে থাকি দূরে।
हाँ, तो क्या कर रहे हैं? दुई जन कीला कीली, यानी कि एक दूसरे को घुसा मार रहे हैं, और गाला गिली, गाली गलौच भी कर रहे हैं। अब नित्यानंद और हरिदास ठाकुर दूर से देख रहे हैं क्या हो रहा है। ओके,
হেন কত নাহি যাহা যাহা না করে দুই জনে, ডাকা চুরি মধ্যম অংশ করায় ভোজনে।
ऐसा कोई सिन नहीं था जो भाई लोगों ने नहीं किया। तो हमारे को कितनी होप है। उनका कल्याण हो सकता है तो हमारा भी हो सकता है। ओके, अब नित्यानंद प्रभु जी ने सोचा, ही थॉट, सॉरी माता जी, इंग्लिश ऑल्सो रीड इट है। नित्यानंद प्रभु थॉट, यस माता जी।
তাকে তরিতে প্রভু কইল অবতার, এর মতো পাতকি কোথা পাইবে না আরা।
हाँ, पातकी तरिते प्रभु कैला अवतार। चैतन्य महाप्रभु हैज कम टू डिलीवर ऑल दीज सिनर्स एंड एई मत पातकी, इनके जैसा दिस काइंड ऑफ पातकी वेयर विल ही फाइंड? दे आर द मोस्ट सुटेबल कैंडिडेट्स बिकॉज ही हैज कम फॉर दैट ओनली। देखो ये भी एक फायदे की बात हो गई। ओके, सो चैतन्य भागवत टेल्स अस, he thought if Chaitanya Mahaprabhu bestows his mercy on these two, then the whole world will know his glories. देखो अपॉर्चुनिटी, अपना काम निकाल लिया और हमारा कल्याण हो गया। If I can reveal Lord Chaitanya to them, then I Nityanand will be known as Lord Chaitanya's servant. देखो here also there is a rhyme. Please listen. If I can reveal Lord Chaitanya to them, then I Nityanand will be known as Lord Chaitanya's servant. इंग्लिश में भी राइम है। ओके जी, तो अब उनको आइडिया आ गया। यस माता जी।
এখনো এমনো মত্ত আপনো না জানে, এই মতো হয় যদি শ্রীকৃষ্ণের নামে।
तो now they are fully intoxicated and they don't know themselves. But if they could become intoxicated in Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Krishna's names, then it will be completely different situation. Actually, Haridas Thakur was asked, why is Nityananda Prabhu so much caring about Jagai Madhai? So big drunkards. So guess what was the answer given by Haridas Thakur? He said, actually Nityananda Prabhu is also a drunkard. One drunkard likes the other drunkard. You have seen this? एक जना जो भांग खाता है दूसरे भांग वाले के पास जाता है. Only thing is they have different type of drunkards. Now they are going to give mercy to Jagai Madhai and convert into a different kind of drunkard. So if someone had the shadow of Jagai Madhai on them, they thought they are purified due to shadow. अगर ऐसा हो जाए कि इनकी छाया पड़ने से just by shadow somebody thinks I have taken bath in Ganges, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu name will be glorified. That is what. So Nityanand Prabhu told to Haridas Thakur. He is reminding him, when you got beaten practically to death by the Yavanas, you thought about even their welfare. See how they help these drunkards. Now you think about the welfare of these two. Because Lord never neglects to fulfill your desire. मतलब क्या है, अगर एक प्योर डिवोटी से हमको आशीर्वाद मिल जावे, then the job is done, because Krishna can change his word but not that of the pure devotee. Okay, yes Mataji.
যেন গায়ে অজামিল উদ্ধার পুরাণে সাক্ষাতে দেখুনে এবে এই তিন
Then he remembered. Yena Gaya Ajamil. He said Ajamil was also liberated by Harinam. Because what did he say? He just spoke Narayan. Sakshate dekho na ebe e tina bhuvane. Then Sakshat, immediately all these three worlds will see if something like this can happen here. Yes, Mataji.
নিত্যানন্দ তত্ত্ব হরিদাস ভালো জনে পৈল উদ্ধার দুই জানিলে না মানে
Nityananda Tattva. Haridas Bhal Jane. Haridas Thakur already knew glories of Nityanand. So he thought in his mind, these fellows are already delivered, because Nityanand Prabhu is talking about them like this. Now Nityanand Prabhu said, let us go and inform these two drunkards of the Lord's order that we are carrying around. Because that was they were asked to do. Go and beg, chant Krishna's name. Then Nityanand and Haridas went to inform the two of the Lord's order. But the other people, they said, Baba, pass mein mat jao, don't go there. Because you don't know, you may not come back. These guys are like this. Yes, Mataji.
তথাপিহা দুই জনে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি নিকটে চলিলে দুনে মহাবুকু কালি
हाँ, लेकिन दोनों ने परवाह नहीं करी, दोनों वहां पहुंच गए. प्रभु टाइम क्या हो गया? 9:20. Okay, so they went. And what did they say? Please repeat. Bolo Krishna, Bhaja Krishna, Laho Krishna Naam, Krishna Mata, Krishna Pita, Krishna Dhana Pran. So he told these to the two drunkards. On hearing what happened, they immediately said, "Arey, who are you?" And they started coming close to Nityanand Prabhu and Haridas Thakur to beat them up. And they started running. So front, Nityanand Prabhu and Haridas Thakur are running, and behind, Jagai Madhai are running. But Jagai Madhai were, so they were not in good shape. They were not going to the gym, only drinking. So they could not actually go and caught hold of. But here is one secret. They did one very big devotional service. What is that? Chasing the devotees.
Like to chase you.
Huh?
Like to chase you.
No, I am chasing you guys. So they were chasing. If you chase, see, you will get only that what the other person has. If you go and ask a poor man, give me 1 million dirhams, can they give? If you ask a very sorrowful person, give me some happiness, can they give? If you chase devotees, what they will give? Bas, this was their punya which they did. Okay. And Haridas Thakur is telling, Arey, why did I come to think of what Nityanand is telling? Better I should have stayed home. This fellow is mad. Sometimes he's running behind, he's swimming behind the crocodiles in the water. Sometimes he's going and telling young girls, marry me, marry me. So this fellow is crazy. So why should I? But he said, well, he is Nityanand Prabhu, Balram himself. So Haridas said, oh Lord. So Nityanand said, it is good to turn them into Vaishnavas, but today आज अच्छा हो गया, हम लोग बच गए करके. Okay, now Haridas said, I cannot go further, Baba. I cannot come with you. But they both reached Chaitanya Mahaprabhu because report has to be given. So they reached there. Yes, Mataji.
নিত্যানন্দ হরিদাস হেনই সময়ে
हाँ.
দিবাস বৃত্তান্ত যত সম্মুখে কহ
Pura Vratant, the whole detail they told, Sammukh kaha hai. In front of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they told all the devotees. And Mahaprabhu said, hey, why these Brahmins are acting like this? Then devotees informed about Jagai and Madhai. Then Nityanand Prabhu said, Bhai, if you can deliver them, I know you are Patit Pavan, so they are most qualified. So what did Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said? Yes, Mataji?
হাসি বলে বিষম ধরো হইল উদ্ধার এই ক্ষণে দর্শন পাইল তোমার
He said, Baba, no need to come to me actually. The moment they saw you, they are already liberated. Because they got your darshan. Okay, this one we covered. Now what happened is Jagai and Madhai actually by chance came to a place which was very close to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's house. And in night and evening, what was happening at Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's house? Full Harinam Sankirtan. These two guys were close to that, fully drunk. And when they heard this, they also started dancing. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. They didn't know, but they were dancing. This was their second. अंदर चला गया उनके. Okay. Now, let's proceed quickly. Now one night, Nityanand Prabhu decided time has come. He went to Jagai and Madhai and they said, who are you? He said, I am Avadhut. And on hearing this, Madhai took a clay pot and hit hard on Nityanand Prabhu's head. And what happened? He started bleeding profusely. Then he took again another one and he was about to hit when Jagai stopped him. He said, why are you doing this? He is only asked you to chant. But see, he is bleeding. Why are you doing this? Don't do this. Meanwhile, what happened? People informed Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This has happened. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came running. Chakra, chakra, chakra. And immediately the chakra appeared. And when the chakra appeared, you know what would have happened. Jagai, Madhai were like, and he said, I am going to kill you. Nityanand Prabhu said, no, 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 you cannot do this. Two reasons. One is you have taken avatar to deliver the sinful. Second, if you kill such people, in Kali Yuga, majority are like this only. Then no job will be left for us. See, job security, they used to think that time also. Not only today. So he said, don't kill them. Then he said, actually, Jagai stopped Madhai. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard that Jagai has stopped, he immediately hugged Jagai. He said, really? You are more than my life and soul. And he profusely, and the moment he hugged, when you come in touch with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he completely transformed into pure bliss. And tears start shedding from his this. And he started rolling on the grass. And who was watching all this? The other fellow. Madhai was watching. What did he tell Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, 1 minute. Whatever he and I do, we do 50-50. Whatever he does, I also do. Whatever I do, he also do. So you cannot devoid me of this pleasure. Because he has done 50, I have done 50. Let us be equal. You cannot be impartial because he could see that this fellow is in complete transcendence only. Mahaprabhu said, that is fine, but you hit Nityananda Prabhu. You cannot be saved. Then he said, but you have taken avatar for this only. Then there is a contradiction. See, Hiranyakashipu was also a very knowledgeable Jnani. He has given full Bhagavad lecture in that. He gives. Like this fellow come to his senses. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, fall at the feet of Nityanand. Nityanand said, I will give my entire pious things. You just be merciful to him. And then he fell at the feet of Nityanand. And then Nityanand Prabhu hugged him. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, what I have given to him, you give it to him. And the two guys were completely transformed. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Okay, and after that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, come, we'll go home. They went home. After going home, Mridangas came out, Khartals came out. I don't know about harmonium, but and there was super Harinam Sankirtan, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is dancing along with Jagai and Madhai. And Jagai and Madhai are putting hand on his shoulder and they are dancing together. And there in the side of the door, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's wife, Vishnu Priya, and mother Sachi Mata, they are watching. We are afraid to touch his body despite being mother and wife. And these two guys, they are just freaking out. What is this? And after that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, in future, nobody should say that these people are sinful. So somebody asked them, where have their sin gone? That look here. And suddenly Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became black. All the sins came into him. And then Haridas Thakur said, we know you are Krishna. Because he is black. And after that, again Harinam Sankirtan started and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again came to Gaur Varna. And he said, look, anybody who blasphemes a devotee, these sins will go there. But Harinam Sankirtan can save anybody. Okay, so then after that they had sumptuous prasadam together. And he said, never criticize these two guys. So, what else is there? Yes, Prabhu, 9:30 ho gaya? Very well. I think we are also through with this. So please repeat this. Mataji, everybody will repeat slowly. Please chant this. এই শুনে এই মহাদস্যুরে উদ্ধার তারে উদ্ধারিব गौरचंद्र अवतार। ei सुने, जो ये सुनता है, one who listens, ei महादस्युरा उद्धार। They were not just dasyus. Dasyus is Daku. Mahadasyu meaning to the power E, N. So anybody who listens the liberation uddhar of Jagai and Madhai, tare udhariba. They are then released from bondage and their uddhar is done by Gaura Chandra Avatar. Sri Sri Chaitanya Bhagavat ki, Sri Sri Nityanand Prabhu ki, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you very much. Let's do. Children, come.
Ashu, Lakshya.